Okay, you can hear that banging. Well, the worst thing that can happen when you move into a place and you take a lease for a month or more is that unexpectedly construction takes place next door, or in this case today, renovation. But it's still hydraulic jackhammers and grinding and cutting and banging. All of the buildings here, most of the buildings here in Vietnam have shared walls, shared brick and plaster walls. So anything is just transferred through vibration and noise. And it's pretty head banging actually, but that's the reality here. So I'm in a place that I like to live in at the moment, and I'm going to stay for a few months intentionally. And on the back wall is renovation of a property next door. This really winds me up, but I'm having an exercise here of how to turn it around because I can't change it. And it's learning how to live with it. So I'm going in and I'm going to see if I can help out. I haven't done a help out video for quite a while, particularly a construction one, you know, on the old concrete and whatnot. So let's go. I'll turn this one around for me. Just checking that we're rolling here. Yep, we're rolling. Hey, brother. Hey, good. Oh, we got the electrician on site here. Ah, no good. Boom.
Tiếng Việt được không?
Việt Nam, Hoi Nam.
Việt Nam anh em nói tiếng Việt được không?
Yeah.
Bây giờ nói tiếng Việt được không?
Một hồi coming Ba Nam. Coming.
Ba năm à?
Yeah. My friend.
Có về Việt Nam.
Can come? Okay.
You see it?
Okay.
It's not safe for you.
Engineer.
Engineer. But not safe.
Okay. Okay. I'm careful. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, let's see, good on him. He said it's not safe for me. It's not safe for them either because they're crazy buggers. But we're going in and I'm going to see if I can help out. Hey, me, boom. Okay? Okay. I'll take you for a look out back here. Hey!
Okay.
Hey brother, good?
Quay lại đi ngồi đó.
Việt Nam, Hoi Nam.
Việt Nam, Việt Nam.
Yeah, okay? Okay. Yeah, little bit. Yeah. So the boys here are constructing a frame. Now you can see over there where the reinforcing is going up. Okay. Yeah, Hoi Nam. Just telling them how long I've lived here. So I'm going to go upstairs here and have a crack. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good.
Vietnam.
Vietnam, Hoi Nam. Oh, movie okay? Okay. So coming up. Yeah. So same here. Yeah. Engineer. Engineer. Same me. I gotta have a go at this. Me?
Đưa ông lòng
Yeah, okay. So, do we want here? Okay. Yeah. Okay, yep. Good. Okay. We're on camera? Yep. I'll probably get electrocuted here. Not sure what he wants done here. Well, I'm off grid. So you want here? Same. Okay. So in here. Got it. Gotcha. So got it. Now I know what I'm doing. Okay. Wasn't sure what he wanted there.
Mà lấy cái này như vậy, mà lấy nó không được nữa. Kìa.
Now we're winning. Yeah, now it's good. I'm actually surprised at how strong the concrete is here. I thought it would be sandy shit. Wow. Camera. I see. Okay. Leads everywhere, bare wires. Need to put this camera in the shade. I'm making a shade for the camera. Yeah, good. Going to go on for days, so I might as well come and join in. I'll give you another view. So what they're constructing here are the columns. They get a reinforcing bar, and these columns are these columns here. Now that's what he's taking out there, an existing column, because this home here, this is a home here, and they're going up one more level. So he's going to go up there. And I'm in this building here, but I'm one room away. So you can see the boys here. In fact, so they're putting together. They're extending the column there. So they're taking advantage of the existing one. So that was all one wall there that I had my bicycle. You can see my bicycle down there. Better make sure I don't fucking go tits up here. There's my bicycle there. So they're framing up, and they'll mix by hand, which I'm going to go out in a minute and get on the concrete mixer there. Hey, brother. And they're going to go up another level again. So they'll pour that one with concrete. Then they'll tie into that Rio that's sticking up in the air there. They'll do another column. They'll tie into that. Now here's the famous water tanks in Vietnam that you see everywhere. These are everywhere, stainless steel. From what I understand, there's two main businesses here that fabricate these tanks, and they're millionaires by tens and tens. Every house has at least one tank. Now you can see here there's a wall that separates this building to that building. That's not common, because as you see here, they're sharing walls. Now this house here, I've talked to a guy that's in there, American guy, and he's renting that for 20 million a month. I'll give you a look over the side here. And this is the house I'm in. Now you'll notice there's no windows along the side, right? No windows. The reason for that is that this property here will build up against that, and that's the law. There's no windows at the back here either, because if it's vacant land next door, at some time they're going to use that same boundary line to build up. So they don't have windows often back and front, back and sides of buildings. And that's why many studio rooms, hotels don't even have a window at all. You know, the cheaper ones. I've stayed in them. They're bloody terrible. I stayed in them in Malaysia. No good. No good. Stale air, bad. So we'll go on. I think we're doing some concrete now. We'll go and do some concrete. Ah, yeah. So he's busting through. Good. Yeah, give it shit, man. Give it shit. Hey, got it. So electrical repairs there. Oh, no good. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Hey, you should put up. They should put up a cover for here. Good. Yeah. You can't buy an umbrella in this country. There's no umbrellas. You can buy a tarp. These guys just, they work in the sun. And they don't. Oh, get out of here. Excellent. We're on the concrete now. I'm in my element now. Right, we're going through here. I'll set us up. See if I can get some concrete going. Yeah, that's a good looking mix. There's electrical cables everywhere. Okay.
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry.
Don't worry for me. The old fella, they care, that I don't get dirty or hurt or something. And they're quite animated about it at times. Okay. Okay. Oh, we missed that. He just pours it on the ground. They don't even use the bucket.
Thank you, man.
I can help. Oh, that's for me, is it? Okay. I'll take that one. He's actually letting me take this one now. You can see I'm too tall for these little wee wheelbarrows. Put that there. A tough little buggers here, you know. I don't have a problem getting it a punch up. It wouldn't be hard to throw them around. So they keep coming back. That's if there's not 5 or 6 of them all jumping on you. But they work hard. And they drink hard too. You know, you'd think you'd have at least another tray on the ground, wouldn't you? Because there's dirt and shit in there. But they'll just bucket that. Now you can see in the ground there's a 5-inch pipe, 130mm pipe, plastic. I would say that's the old dunny pipe, sewage pipe that they've exposed, and no doubt they'll tap into that. But I'll show you something that's interesting in that hole there. See in the ground there's blocks. That's ground support. That's what they're building on top of. But it was only a floor out here, so that's okay. Now here's the wall of the house next door, and here's the wall of this house. So it shows you that there's often no segregation between one property and another here. Electrical. That would have been for this here. Working hard, working hard. Now they normally knock off here. Ooh. At about 11 through to 1 for 2 hours. They start early, 7, and hello, the old plumb bob. That doesn't have to be sophisticated, just a weight on a string. And they go through from 7 till 11. Then they lie down. They just come in the shade and lie down, eat, and crank up again at about 1 to 1:30. Through to about 5. This side's they're knocking off here at about 5. But you get a lot of this. This cracking here. This is an existing crack. This ain't new just from what they're doing now. Yeah, cracking.
Hey,
We'll go back out the front here. Get out of the man's way. Don't ever get in their way. I do go on building sites. I don't get in their way because they won't say anything, and but you're pissing them off. So I've never gone onto a building site yet and not helped out because I do know what I'm doing. Hey brother, good day. Hands off to have a quick beer. Again, you can see there the wall, one wall against another. Okay. You probably haven't heard a thing I've been talking about with all the noise, but this is just an introduction. What I'll do here is I shall endeavour to come out here each day and do a little bit of a progress build. It's not mine, but I've spoken to the owner, and he says that his son is coming home to live here with his girlfriend, so he's building a new room on top. And others have asked him as well, and the story is consistent. So this is just a residence, and you can, this is what it is. So I'm up there. I'm down there, but I'm up there. That's a on top there of that neighbouring building is a drying room, and the air goes through. There's lounge chairs. It's bloody good. Andy, you're missing out if you don't by not coming here, mate, because there's a lot more happening that you would have liked. But anyway, your call. I'll take you for a walk down the lane. Check that out, ain't that? This is everywhere. Cool, isn't it? Now I was here 2 years ago, and there's a build that hasn't gone anywhere since then. They got so far, boom, abandoned. Same here, look at that. the plastic is just baking out in the sun on all the aluminium window frames there. Shame, but not my issue, not my problem. Not my monkey, not my circus. But what I do like about this area is the colour. Now, as an artist, I consider myself a fine artist because I was self-propelled as far as being original goes with my work, and it was good work. I was all primary colours at most, at best, which was blue, red, yellow, black, white, and shades of grey. That was it. And letting go everything, which I've touched on before. I mean, literally letting go of everything and arriving in this country with 10 kilograms in a bag, my total possessions. Certain things happened that I was sort of hoping would happen by freeing up my mind. And one of them was an appreciation of colour. It's about as best as I can put it. Now, my senses have been severely compromised, and one of them is smell. Very rarely do I smell, even though I say, "Oh, smell the frangipani. Can you smell the frangipani?" I can't really, because I have no sense of smell anymore. So I just imagine smells. Ciao. Now this is a little house here. This is the sort of thing that I wouldn't mind. You wouldn't even know it's there. You'd know, except these piss me off dogs. God. You know, I can't get over that fucking mentality. Now this was all overgrown up until 2 weeks ago. We've caught that on a couple of vids, I think. So they're going to do something here. Yeah, but this little house is all surrounded by bamboo. It's quite cool. You know, these poofter dogs. Good for nothing. Here he is. Hey! So yeah, I don't know what's happened here, but it's a huge build here. It's a substantial build, and the rooms are big as well, so it would have been good. And they've run out of money. It's the only thing I can think of. It is a private residence. I'll just give you a sneaky look. You know, look at that. Eh? I could live there. I could live there. So we'll go back to the site. You know, they're just left to bark. And, you know, to live an existence of where that's acceptable, you know, I can see the stupid thing there. Good for nothing. I can't imagine them being guard dogs. Although people here are scared of dogs. Now that's another thing. A lot of people are, but from what I'm led to believe, empty. It's enough of a deterrent. So what are they? I mean, everyone's got one. So what are they saying? Theft and criminality is that high? When I'm told it's not. So go figure. Now here's another cool spot here. Big piece of land, House built to the rear. Man's giving me the thumbs up on his garden here. He might come down. Is he going to come down? I haven't met this guy. Oh, look at that. So there's little purple things on there. No, he's chilling in the shade. That's all vegetable there. You know, this looks like, what is this? It's got purple. Little fruits are coming through now. So they could be anything. I don't know what they are. We'll keep an eye on them. Vegetable, maybe. Let's have a look here. He's getting ready for another mix, but they're only small. Yeah, I don't want to be around with any of that cement. I don't want to suck up any of that cement dust. That's bad news. Now, what you would have noticed here was an absence of any common sense protection, be it mask, earplugs, earmuffs. You know, just for the constant bombardment, breathing shit in, and the noise. But I you know, this isn't a criticism, but in the 2.5 years I've been here, I haven't seen a single pair of earmuffs worn on any site yet, or any earplugs. Not one. Goggles, not one. Masks in rooms where they're cutting away concrete and there's fucking dust and everything, not one. The death rate here is quite high. Let's go down the road here. These are the boys' bikes here, the workers. Yeah, these guys, a lot of them have cancers and lung issues and respiratory problems in their 50s. And that's talking to locals, that's being told by the locals. Hey man, cool. And here's the rice fields again. Now I've done a vid on this. I don't know if we'll put it up before or after this one. I'll see. So the rice is all harvested in this area. So that's it for now, that's us for now. So this will be the building site. I don't know what I'll call it, nothing special, but maybe neighbourhood action. Banging the neighbour, that's what we'll call it, banging the neighbour, because that's what's going on through the walls, a lot of banging. So, cool. Now here we go, part 2. So you can see there's my bike there. So there's that column. I'll move the old bike. Hey! Don't worry, don't worry.
Có vợ Việt Nam à?
Yeah, walking, yeah.
Vợ Việt Nam à?
Yeah.
Vợ Việt Nam. Việt Nam.
Oh,
Việt Nam.
number one.
Đấy. Thôi cậu rồi, cậu rồi. Đấy. Đấy. Đây, đây, đây. Ơi. Ơi. Vô, vô.
You know, I wouldn't mind getting up there and helping him. Oh, he's got a hole. Oh, coming, coming. He's losing half of it out of a hole there. A couple of stones will fill that up. But Wayne, you'll be watching this, and you said something that was really quite true and informative, and revealing that there's a difference between working hard and working smart. And I can tell you these people work hard. Why do I say that? I've spent most of my life on and off sites, working sites, building sites, and you soon work out how to be more efficient, how to make it easier on yourself, more cost effective, and you know, even the sunshade. But what I will say is ingenuity here. You know, on the flip side, there's no clamps, no G clamps or anything. So what he's used there is just a, you can see a bit of wire bent into a U shape, and it's been closed like a coat hanger and then opened up, and it's holding the two. See those wires? They're just holding the back and the front boards together, just enough. Pretty cool. Quick release. So there's the picture of the roof next door that I showed you, where the walls are together.
Để đá nữa ra.
Okay.